Next question is a plus b root 3 the whole square is 52 plus 30 root 3, where a and b are natural numbers. Then find the value of a plus b. Okay. Now, see a plus b root 3, right, root 3 the whole square is equals to 52 plus 30 root 3. 30 root 3. Now, let us try to make 52 plus 30 root 3 as something whole square, right. So, you see we can write it as 52. So, this part I am going to make it as something like x into 2x into y, something like that. I want to make a whole square, x plus y whole square, something like that. This part will be 2xy and this part I am going to make x square plus y square. Okay. So, ultimately it will become x plus y the whole square. Now, let us see, to make it 2xy, 2x part y is 30. So, we have to look for 2, there is already 2 here, right. So, I can write 52 plus, I can take 2 common here, 2. So, this xy part will be 15 root 3, right, it is 15 root 3, correct. Now, I have to break this 15 root 3 in 2 parts, I mean product of 2 numbers, such that sum of their square is 52. How we can do that? 15 ko we can write 5 into 3. So, one part we can take 5 and the other part is 3 root 3. And look at this, 5 square is 25, you see 5 square plus 3 root 3 the whole square, 5 square is 25, 3 root 3 whole square is 27, is coming 52. So, it is matching, right, it is matching with our requirement, right. So, this 52 we can write it as 5 square plus 3 root 3 whole square. So, this is a square plus b square, that is 52. I mean here it is x square plus y square. I have not taken ab because ab is already here, right, and plus is 2ab, right. So, this is 2a and into b. Okay. So, basically it is coming a plus b the whole square. So, it is a plus b the whole square. Okay. So, basically we got a plus b root 3 whole square, this is equal to 5 plus 3 root 3 whole square, right, and a and b are natural number. Now, if you compare, look at this and this, okay, if you compare, a is how much? 5. So, a is 5, b root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. So, b is 3. So, what is the value of a plus b? So, a plus b will be obviously 5 plus 3, 8, right. So, the answer for this question will be 8. So, the value of a plus b will be 8. Okay. I hope this is clear.